Hello learners, my dear scholar. At the first greetings and welcome you all. Well, I'm Amrita and I wish you a long life. Alright dear, let's see. We'll study today chapter 4. Alright, question answer we'll learn today. From the diary of Anne Frank, written by Anne Frank herself. Alright, dear scholar, this is the picture of writer. And dear scholar, you might be knowing the chapter is an excerpt. Excerpt means a small part of a book, or you could say this chapter, okay, has been taken from the book The Diary of Young Girl. This was Anne Frank was a Jewish girl, alright, and she shares her experience when she is depressed, you could say sad, alright. One day she felt depressed, or you could say sad, therefore she wrote her diary, alright. Let's see question 1. What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne Frank? The answer: writing in a diary was a strange experience for Anne Frank as she never had a diary and it was a gift on her 13th birthday. She considers it her best friend on which she relied the most and with whom she shared all her ups and downs. Dear scholars, Anne Frank, she wrote a diary and gave the name of this diary Kitty. It was her true friend. She made her true friend and she wrote everything about her life in this diary. And it was gift on her 13th birthday. On her 13th birthday. She considered it what? The best friend. The diary was her best friend. Alright, dear scholar. And she wrote everything about her life. Okay. Let's see. Question 2. Why does Anne want to keep a diary? The answer: Anne always feels lonely and distressed. So, to get off all his burden and pain, she wants to keep a diary in which she finds a true friend, as she has hardly any friends whom she could confide in. Dear scholar, and Frank, she felt lonely. Well, she had around 30 people, okay, in her family. After that, okay, she felt what lonely. She decided to write diary. Why? The reason: to get off, dear scholar, to get off, to get off all burden. Dear scholar, she wrote her diary to enlighten the burden of her heart. Okay, she wished to finish, okay, her burden, so she wrote diary. Dear scholar, you might be knowing paper had more patience than people. People, okay, people mostly they get angry, they became bored, but diary paper never get bored. So she decided what? Thus she decided to write a diary. Alright, any friends whom she could confined in. Yes, so confined means believe. Alright, dear scholar. Moving on, next question. Next question. Third. Why did Anne think she could confine? Dear scholar, she could confine means she could believe. She could believe, or you could say trust, more in her diary than in people, and felt that paper had more patience than people to listen to her plight. Plight means, dear scholar, sadness, you could say. Okay. Dear scholar, she felt that paper had more patience. Dear scholar, talking about paper has more patience. Paper had more patience than people. Well, people they get annoyed, they got angry, they uh, became bored, but paper never became angry. So you could write everything whatever you wish to write in the paper. So she said, uh, she said that paper had more patience. Alright, dear scholar. So it was easier for her to write all kind of thoughts which she had in her mind. Her personal diary was not meant for anyone else to read. Alright, dear scholar. Diary was her true friend. The name of diary was Kitty. What was the name of the diary? Kitty Diary. Moving on, next question for why does Anne provide a brief sketch of her life? By providing the brief sketch of her life, Annie wants to give an overview of her family, relatives, and her age. This helps us, the reader, to develop a connection with the author. Dear scholar, reality this, she said that she didn't like to give more information about her family, but she provided here why the reason is so that reader could understand well what was the diary about. All right, yes, scholar. Now you are supposed to learn it. Okay, dear. See you later. All right.